Let me tell you something, entrepreneurship is a wild ride, full of ups and downs. 6 months ago, I was starting from scratch, staring at a bank account that was bone dry, with no idea where to begin. But guess what? I had this fire in my belly, this burning desire to create something awesome, something that could change my life. And you know what? In just 6 short months, I built a business that brought in a cool $100,000. It was unbelievable. You might be thinking, no way, that's impossible. But let me assure you, it's very much possible, but trust me, it's not. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve it too. I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, you can too. Believe in yourself and your potential. It takes hustle, it takes grit, and it takes a whole lot of heart. You have to be ready to put in the work, but the rewards, they're more than worth it. The satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off is incredible. Think about it. The freedom to be your own boss, to call the shots, to build something you're truly passionate about. It's a dream come true. That's what it's all about, my friends. It's about living life on your own terms. It's about taking control of your destiny and creating the life you've always dreamed of. The power is in your hands. So, are you ready to ignite your own success story? The journey starts now. Buckle up because we're about to dive into the exact steps I took to go from $0 to $100,000. Let's get started. Get ready to crush it. Your success story is just beginning. Listen up because this is crucial. You can't just jump into any old business idea and expect to strike gold. It takes careful planning and insight. You need to find your sweet spot, your niche, that perfect intersection of what you're passionate about and what people are actually willing to pay for. It's a delicate balance. For me, it was all about your niche. I found something that resonated deeply with me. I saw a gap in the market, a need that wasn't being met. It was a clear opportunity. People were craving problem your niche solves. They needed a solution desperately. I knew I could create a solution that would blow them away. It was a game changer. So how do you find your own gold mine? Start by asking yourself some key questions. What am I truly passionate about? What makes me excited to get up in the morning? What problems do I see around me that I can solve? Look for pain points. What unique skills or knowledge do I have that others might find valuable? Identify your strengths. Once you have a few ideas brewing, it's time to validate them. Do your research. Dive deep into the market. See what's already out there. Analyze your competition. Talk to potential customers and get their feedback. Their insights are invaluable. The more you understand your target audience, the better equipped you'll be to create a product or service they'll love. It's all about connection. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your business. It's the bedrock. Choose wisely and you'll be well on your way to building something truly special. Success is within reach. Alright, you've got your killer product or service. Now what? You gotta get the word out there. You need to become a marketing machine, spreading the word far and wide. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to reach your target audience. Social media is your best friend. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. These platforms are where your customers are hanging out. Create engaging content that grabs their attention. Run targeted ads that put your offer right in front of the people who need it most. But don't forget about the power of good old-fashioned hustle. Networking, building relationships, getting involved in your community, these things matter. Word-of-mouth marketing is still incredibly powerful. The key is to be everywhere your customers are. Be relentless in your pursuit of their attention, and never, ever underestimate the power of a strong call to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Visit your website, make a purchase, sign up for your email list. Section 4, Mindset Makeover. Thinking like a winner to achieve big wins. Let me tell you something. Building a successful business takes more than just a great idea and a solid marketing plan. It takes the right mindset, a mindset that is resilient and adaptable. You gotta believe in yourself, even when no one else does, and keep pushing forward. You gotta be willing to put in the work, even when it's tough, and the odds seem against you, and you gotta be able to bounce back from setbacks because trust me, there will be setbacks. One of the biggest mindset shifts I had to make was overcoming my fear of failure. I used to be so afraid of making mistakes that I would hold myself back from taking risks. But then I realized something. Failure is just a part of the process. It's an opportunity to learn and grow, to become better and stronger. Another important shift was developing a growth mindset. I started to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. I embraced feedback, both positive and negative, as a way to improve and refine my approach. And I never stopped learning and experimenting, always seeking new ways to innovate and succeed. Section 5. My biggest mistakes and how you can avoid them. Section 6. Scaling your business without burning out. Section 7. Conclusion.